Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The theme is Mackenzie Child or black and white. Here I have some pretty black chargers that are trimmed in gold from Amazon. Those are a new buy. They were really reasonably priced as well. And then from the Dollar Tree, this dinner plate with a black and white checkered dessert plate, Amazon for that. And this will be a setting for 4. Now I had purchased the salad plate from the Dollar Tree as well to match the dinner plate, but I decided to use the black and white checkered salad plate from Amazon just to give it a mix and match look. Next I have these black wine glasses with a gold trim at the top. Amazon for those. And I do have 4 of those as well. So I'm keeping with the black and white theme. I think it's looking really good so far. And then I have a white or a cream color napkin with a black napkin ring. The napkins were from Amazon. The napkin rings I've had for a long time. I'm not sure where I purchased those at. Okay, here is an overview of what I have done so far. I really like the Mackenzie Child inspired look, or just the black and white look in general. Very classy. Okay, next is this beautiful black with a gold trimming vase as my centerpiece. So here is a look at the centerpiece with really pretty white flowers and greenery. Isn't that pretty? Now these wine goblets are plastic, not glass, but I think they gave it a very elegant look at a friendly budget as well. Next, I'm going to be adding these black candle holders with a white candle, and then another black candle holder with a black candle. So I place both of those on each side of the centerpiece. Now do stay tuned. I will be lighting the candles. And I also want to mention that I would encourage everyone to go check out the playlist as well. There'll be a lot of very pretty Mackenzie Child inspired tablescapes or just the black and white tablescape. So here's what it's looking like so far. I love it. Now here is the matching cups to the Dollar Tree plate setting. So I have 4 of those. And then I'll add the flatware, which is this gold and silver that I ordered from Amazon. I just think they're really pretty. So those get added to each of the table settings as well. And I am going to be adding a few more extra pieces. First being this porcelain music box made to depict the Shakespeare Romeo and Juliet story. Now, I don't know if you can see the pictures, but they are all hand painted. But isn't that exquisite? This belonged to my mother, so I did inherit that from her. So I do treasure it. And there's the top, which has a little bit of the black and white checker on it. That's why I included it in this tablescape. Now, I did turn it over. This is in Russia, and it does have the artist name on the bottom. Natalia's a Russian name. I can't pronounce it. Now, in some tablescapes, I like to always add a little conversation item, and so I think this fit perfectly. Now, another thing I'm going to add is my Alice in Wonderland tea container. So it does have an assortment of teas in it. These are all twinning teas. They're not original to the tin. I just added it later after the original teas were all gone. So here is another look at the tablescape. I want to thank Anna for putting this together every Tuesday. So if you would like to join our family, just feel free to hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 25, and Anna would be happy to add you. Thanks again for watching, everyone. See you next week. Bye-bye for now.